Hi Appliance shoppers, today we are reviewing a 2011-2012 updated Whirlpool front-loading washing machine, the WFW95HEX. In this video we're going to talk about a few things: how this machine saves energy, its large 4.3 cubic foot size, how it's sanitary, the precision dispenser, some of the cycles, and how this washer reduces vibration and noise. This is the mid-level of 3 large capacity Whirlpool front-load machines. Every cycle meets the highest energy standards, ultimately saving owners on utility costs and conserving resources. For energy-intensive loads such as bulky items, heavy-duty, and whites, the EcoBoost option uses even less energy by lowering the water temperature and extending the tumble action. The delay wash feature allows the washer to operate when energy prices are lowest, which is generally overnight and on weekends. The direct drive motor improves the efficiency of any dryer, but we'll get to that at the end of the video. The extra-large 4.3 cubic foot washer drum can clean 20 pairs of jeans or under 30 pounds of laundry, so people end up doing fewer loads per week. The Sixth Sense Care Control regulates the amount of water used by using sensors to determine the weight of the load. For example, if the load is heavy, more water will be added. Other sensors regulate the mix of incoming hot and cold water, ensuring a consistent temperature for every wash, whether it's freezing cold outside or unbearably hot. This machine is a certified sanitizing and allergen-reducing washer, mainly due to an internal water heater that raises the temperature of the hot water to over 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This acts to reduce 99.9% of microorganisms and remove at least 95% of household dust mite allergens and pet dander. Every allergen-certified washer must be easily cleanable, corrosion resistant, and designed to avoid the accumulation of dirt and debris. A cup of chlorine bleach or a tablet of Afresh used with the clean washer cycle removes soap residue and any mildew that may build up over time. The stainless steel drum resists rust. All front-load washers today have rubber gaskets that must be occasionally cleaned to prevent mildew buildup. Every large capacity Whirlpool washer in this series includes the Fan Fresh feature, designed to keep clothes fresh, remove moisture, and even dry small loads of laundry overnight by periodically tumbling and drying with an internal fan. Also, HE detergent and proper drain installation are required to prevent moisture and residue buildup. At the appropriate time, the dispenser compartment automatically dilutes and dispenses the detergent during the wash, the fabric softener during the last rinse, or the chlorine bleach during the first rinse. Do not overdose the detergent, as this may cause oversudsing, leftover residue, and possible malfunction. All the standard cycles are on the center dial. For a brief overview that will help optimize wash times and fabric care, visit my blog or watch my video review of the WFW97HEXL. The Allergen Cycle uses a hot wash, fast tumbling, and a high spin speed to remove pet dander and dust mites from bedding and clothing. The Whirlpool Duet WFW95 has some unique features that include a steam option, an Oxy product timed dispenser compartment, a special cycle for jeans, and a 16-hour delay wash option. You can add a pre-soak, deep clean steam, or an extra rinse to most of the cycles. The steam option complements a soak, wash, and rinse cycle to penetrate fabrics and remove organic stains. I like it because it helps soak all the clothes more thoroughly, dissolves detergent, sterilizes the wash basket, and softens fabrics. This is especially useful for casual clothes where boiling hot water might harden and wrinkle the fabric. The jean cycle uses slow tumbling, more water, and medium spin speeds to reduce tangling and prevent fading. But enough features, let's see this washer in action. If you like using Oxy products or color-safe bleach, this is the only Whirlpool front-load washer with an Oxy product dispenser option, alongside the other dispenser compartments. Let me digress a bit on Oxy products. Sodium percarbonate, the active ingredient, is used in many eco-friendly products because it doesn't contain phosphorus or nitrogen. In water, it breaks down into hydrogen peroxide, an odor-reducing oxidizer, and sodium carbonate, a water-softening agent. Oxy Cleaner boosts the cleaning power of detergent because it prevents detergent from bonding to the magnesium and calcium ions found in hard water, allowing less detergent to do its job. So if you notice calcium buildup in your plumbing at home or in the sink, it might be worth it to try Oxy products to improve the cleaning performance of your appliances. If you forgot to throw something in your washer while the Add a Garment light is on, press the pause button to stop the washer and unlock the door. Add your stuff, then press the start button to resume. The delay wash feature is upgraded from 12 hours in the WFW94 to 16 hours in the WFW95. The 6-point suspension system will reduce the initial vibrations as the washer picks up speed. All of these Whirlpool front-load machines use the same direct drive motor I mentioned mentioned at the beginning of the video. It saves energy because it has fewer moving parts and allows the washer to spin faster than most other washers, so that your clothes come out more dry. This will shorten drying times for any existing dryer when compared to a previously slower spinning washer. For washers going into the living space of a home, all these machines use an accelerometer to detect and fix imbalances, and two ball balancing rings to reduce noise and limit shaking. Also, the washer drum is coated with sound-reducing material, making the machine quiet enough for the kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom. If you want information about the unique features of other large-capacity Whirlpool front-load washers in this series, click one of the pictures or links below or post a comment. You can stack the units or set them up side by side. The washer door always swings to the left, but the dryer door can be reversed. The feet should be adjusted to level the machine. You also need a hot water and a cold water supply, as well as a drain set at the proper height to prevent moisture buildup. The WFW95 saves a ton of energy, cleans huge loads of laundry, sanitizes clothes, removes allergens, ensures the correct dispensation of cleaning agents including oxy products, offers many specialty cycles, but someone still has to fold the clothes. What do you think? Leave a comment below. If you want information about other front-load washers, click one of the pictures or links below. If you want more information about any other large-capacity top-load washers, click one of the pictures or links below. For those of you who have already purchased this machine, in addition to downloading the manual, save this video on Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter, and leave any comments or feedback at My Next Appliance. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.